Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for passing by. If you like to give yourself this wonderful haircut, why not try it out? I will advise you to watch this video to the end and give it a try. It's a nice feeling to give yourself a haircut that you are comfortable with. So give it a try. Let's go. So for this haircut, we'll need a clipper, the guides, the brush, and the mirror. So hopefully you can follow through to the end. You're welcome once again. So let's go. So we start off with combing of the hair. Give it a nice look before we start the cutting of the hair actually. And then we move to the next part. Here we have the clip. I have the clipper fully closed. So I'm just going to give the first bar like I always do. I mean, this is the style I like cutting most time. I have other style, but this particular one is the one that I prefer most time. So just watch through it and I guess you will understand what I'm trying to do here. It's not a bad thing to give it a try. I think you can try this at home. It's not so difficult, although the first time you might actually feel uncomfortable, but I bet you with time you understand it and you get a feeling on how to cut your hair. I've been doing this for the past 6 years or so I'm getting better every day. So like you see, I've already almost give myself the first line. So I open the clipper fully and try to give myself the second line, which will be blended in later. I guess if you watch the video of repeatedly, you understand what I'm trying to do here. So don't mind the angle, just follow through. I believe you understand and pick something out of this. It's not an easy task, but with time you get a feeling on how you can actually position your hand and give yourself a nice cut. Yeah, it's nice to have this feeling, so I'm gonna try it out. So the next step is to blend the first line to the second line. So the clipper is placed on the middle. It's placed on the middle, so I'm trying to just get the line disappear, take the lines away. Like I said, this is the most easiest style you can do. So still on the blending. I bet you giving yourself a cut is a nice feeling. So I know some of us are a bit skeptical about this, but I advise you to try it out. Watch the video. Thanks for watching anyway. Thanks for watching. Thanks. I really appreciate, and share the video if you feel encouraged with this little peace of mind. Mind you, I'm not a professional. I just try to use it to encourage a lot of us out there. You can do whatever you want to do if you really want to do it. So like you see, I'm still trying to blend it. I'm still trying to blend it in. It's a lot of work, but it's something that is quite doable. So you can see from the back how the hair is turning out. How it's turning out, and I believe you like what you are seeing. I too, I love what I'm seeing. It's not done yet, but I love what I'm seeing. So they say practice made perfect, so why don't you try this at home? So I'm using the zero guide with the lens fully open at the beginning. So I'm going to adjust it to the middle, depending on the hair you want to take out or you want to trim out. So I'm adjusting it to the middle. So here I'm using the second guide. To trim the hair upward, just to give it this nice look at the end. You can see what I'm trying to do. So sometimes I'm going to adjust it. Depends on the amount of hair I'm trying to get out of my hair. I believe you can see what I tried to do there. So the last part of this haircut is to actually line the hair at the front. So this is extremely difficult, so you just gotta be careful. Don't dig into your hair. Like I said, I've been doing this for some while, so I know exactly where I need my hand to be. So just don't. The best option is not to dig deep into your hair. I'm sorry for the angle, but yeah, I guess you can understand what I'm trying to say. It's difficult for me to record at the same time and try to line my hair, so mind the angle. What I'm trying to say is that you can do this, so be encouraged, you can do it. That's what I want to say. Just don't dig deep into your hair, otherwise you're going to mess up your hair. Yes, I know that. Yeah. So this is the last part. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate. Like it, comment, share your point, your view in the comment section, and hopefully it's going to be more better video for me, more tutorial for me. So have a wonderful day and God bless. Bye.